Hello friends, welcome to TradersHub channel. Today all our shortlisted stock outperformed the market, especially Bajaj Finance moved around 300 points. Hope you guys entered and made very good profits with that. And also Biocon is moved a decent move around 6 rupees. And all other scripts also outperformed the market. Hope you guys made very good profit with the what are the stocks you entered with our levels. Okay, let's start our stock analysis for tomorrow. Let's start with the Nifty. Nifty in hourly chart, this is the rising trending line, and it is having the resistance in this zone. So it is just made a fake breakout and it is closed below the trend line. So what we can expect tomorrow, we move to 5-minute chart so that we get a good idea about it. So what we can expect tomorrow, if it is breaking 14,938 for 5 minutes, we can see 15,6.5, and also we can notice down this level 15,129 level. If the stock is breaking the lower side of 14,832.2, it's also below our reference price 14,841.85. So if it is breaking here, we can expect 14,762 and 14,700 level for tomorrow. Let's go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it is in the daily chart. I draw the rising trend line. It is broken this level and closed above it, but if you see the Fibonacci, it is already at the 1.618 level. So it means that this leg move is finishing. I think the first wave, second, third wave is completing now. I think there may be some correction in the market now. It's my expectation. So if you notice here, it is just stopped with the Fibonacci level and it is unable to sustain and close above the Fibonacci level of 35,396.6 level, and it is closed below this level, and the level is closing is 35,352.05. So it is not a good sign for the market. So even tomorrow is there. Let's watch what will happen tomorrow. So that weekly closing is very important for Bank Nifty. So let's move to 5-minute chart so that we get a intraday movement for the stock. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 35,488, we can see 35,532. If it is sustained above, we can see 35,721, 35,910 level. If it is breaking the rising trend line at the lower side with the midpoint 35,156, we can see 34,969 and the reference price 34,869. This acts as a strong support for tomorrow. If it is breaking, then there is a big negative movement in the Bank Nifty tomorrow. So let's move to stocks. I have shortlisted BEL, ITC, Jindal Steel, JSW Steel, Lupin, Muthoot, TVS Motors, MGL for the long side. For the short side, SBI Life, TCS, Reliance, and Wipro for the short side. So let's go to the, and also I am expecting tomorrow there is a good movement in PSU companies and also some FMCG companies. So I shortlisted only one stock here. There are all you can also watch other stocks like PFC and REC. I have also in my list, but I'm not showing here because unless the stock list will be too big, that's what I'm not showing here. So what we can expect tomorrow with the BEL is above 141.8. We can see 142.6 and 144 level. If it is sustained above, this is a square number, 12 square, and very important number for the numerical thing also. So if it is sustained above, then we can see further rally in this stock, 146.4 level. So next stock is ITC. ITC today, it is a hourly breakout, sorry, daily breakout, but The daily breakout will confirm only when it is breaking today's high. Then only the buy will trigger. So that once the buy triggers, we can see the next target of 270 level, 266 level, and also we can see 310 level. If it is not breaking today's high tomorrow, then it's a fake move, then we can expect the downside for the stock. So let's move to 5-minute chart so that we get a broad overview about intraday. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 231.4, we can see 234, and also we can see 238 and 242 level for tomorrow. Then next stock is Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel, it is just hovering around the square number 289. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 292.7, we can see 295 and 298 level for tomorrow. So I have to check some other levels. We can see 298 and 306 level, 6.5 level for tomorrow in the Jindal Steel. The next stock is JSW Steel. JSW Steel also hovering around the square number 400. So if it is breaking 402, we can see 408.8 and 40414 and 419 level for tomorrow. The next stock is Lupin. Lupin, again, this stock came down, but it's bounced back from the 225 EMA, and it's bounced back, and it is hovering around the midpoint 1056.5. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 1068.3 for 5 minutes close. In the 5-minute chart close, we can see 1078 and 1089 level for tomorrow. Next stock is Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance, what we can expect tomorrow, it is closed above the reference price 1182.4. My expectation is tomorrow above 1196. We can see 1199, 1217, 1225 level. I think in the hourly chart it's given a very good it's kind of cup and handle pattern. I think if it is breaking this high, we can expect the big move in this stock. So next stock is TVS Motor. TVS Motor, it is consolidating near the midpoint. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 658, we can see 662, 676 level. And also we just mark this level 688. It's a remote chance, but we just mark this level. The next stock is MGL. MGL, today it's broken the square number 1089 and closed well above square number, and also the reference price 1098.55. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 1105, we can see 1115, 1122.5 and 1132. The next stock is SBI Life. SBI Life, it is unable to sustain above the midpoint 870.5, and it came down and closed near to the reference price 863.45. So my expectation is tomorrow below 857.95, we can see 849 and 841. This acts as a strong support since it's a odd square number. The next stock is TCS. TCS, it is hovering around the midpoint 3192.5. So once it is closing below for 5 minutes chart, in the 5-minute chart below this level 3162.65, we can see 3140, 3136, and if it is closing below or sustained below or making any swing below near to this level and breaking the lower side, then we can see 3113 and also 3100 level for tomorrow. Reliance, it's unable to predict in the during the intraday, because one day it is going up, next day coming down. So but what our analysis says it is unable to sustain above the square number 1936 and also unable to sustain above the reference price 1924.4. So what we can expect tomorrow below 1905, we can see 1892.5 and 1880, and also we mark this level 1876. The next stock is Wipro. Wipro again, it is hovering around the reference price, consolidating near to the reference price and closed below the reference price. So what we can expect tomorrow below 428.25, we can see 420 level and also 416 level for tomorrow. That's all, friends. Hope you like my levels and my video for your trading. If it is useful for your trading, and please like and subscribe and share to your friends. If you made profits, please comment on the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Bye.